What's going on, guys? Sir Lewis here. In today's video, I'm gonna be showing you guys how to use the Bitget app on your phone. Now, if you want to know how to use Bitget on your desktop, I made a video on that. I'll leave that in the description below. This one's gonna be dedicated for using the Bitget app on your phone, which, to be honest, if you guys didn't know by now, in my streams I trade on my phone, but I look at the charts on my computer, and then when I have to put in the order, I'll put it on my phone, which is very simple and easy to do. And I'm gonna show you guys here how to use it. And if you guys want to get Bitget, you guys can help out my channel by using the Bitget link in the description below. So right here, when you enter, it's kind of overwhelming at first, but it's very similar to other apps out there. They're like KuCoin and other ones, but where you go here to trade is futures. Okay, this is your main trading page on futures. Spot trade, here at the bottom, you can see spot trade is for buying crypto to hold. Basically, you can withdraw this type of crypto, right? But futures trade is like leverage and just trading in general. And I'm going to show you guys here how to use this. Here you click on the markets, you can see all the cryptos that are futures. Now these cryptos are the ones that you can trade on leverage. The ones that are on spot are the ones that you can buy here. So you can see there's a lot more cryptos obviously for spot, because not all these are on futures, right? But Bitget, in my opinion, has a pretty good variety of cryptos to trade on futures. As you guys can see, they have all the big ones, to be honest, right? Theta, Gala, Sand. So you can also save it right here on favorites. Now what's cool here about Bitget that I love too is the copy trading. If you click right here where it says copy, you can literally find and see what people are trading, like their trades full time. So you can scroll right here and say, oh wow, this guy's up 343% on his overall portfolio. Let's see what he's trading, right? You can do that. You can view all their stats here, the total P&L. You can view their data, ROI, right? How much they made, 17,000 total P&L, their orders. So these are all, look, you can see their live trades at the moment, and you can see like he's down pretty bad at the moment, right? With all these shorts, and he's doing 50x. So you can literally see people's live trades, which is awesome. With copy trading, it's one of the best features for Bitget. Now, to view your wallets and how much crypto you guys have, you click right here on assets, and you can see here how much crypto you got in your spots, how much crypto you got futures and P2P. Now you can withdraw your crypto to a ledger or other exchanges. You can transfer it. Transfer is basically transferring from the spot account to the futures account or vice versa. And what's awesome too, guys, if you guys buy BGB, which is Bitget's official crypto, here at the bottom you can see enjoy 20% off discount, but this is only for spot trading. So you can get 20% off on the fees when you buy spot trading, which is pretty low, right? But to trade, you go right here on futures. Now I'm going to be on this screen for a while because this is super important. I want to show you guys here how to trade on futures on your phone, and I use this all the time. When I'm trading, I use this all the time, and I'm going to show you guys here how this works. Okay, right here at the top you have your leverage. So this is your leverage either for long or short. Now just because you change it to long doesn't mean that that's going to change for the short. You can see right here at the top 15x, but I still got 35x on short. So make sure whatever you want to use, so for example you want to use 25 for longs, okay, you want to use 25 also for shorts, you change it. Okay, so that is where you change your leverage position. Now I can't change this because I'm currently in the short position. That's at 35x, so I can't change that at the moment. But the next thing here, guys, which is also very important, is isolated versus cross, which you can see right here at the top. You click on isolated. There's isolated and cross. Now there's a huge difference between these two, and that is that isolated, it has a smaller liquidation price when you guys enter a trade, because if you get liquidated, you're only going to get liquidated for the amount that you put in that trade, right? So let's say I put a $90 trade. My whole portfolio is $1,000, but I put a $90 trade. If I get liquidated, I'm going to lose $90, my whole $90. Cross, on the other hand, is going to give you a way bigger liquidation price, right? It's not going to be as tight. But if you do get liquidated, which would be crazy, right? To get to that spot, the markets will have to be, make a huge move. You would literally get your whole portfolio liquidated. So that's basically what cross is, but I like to use it on isolated. Okay, and the next thing you got here is limit order versus trigger order. I use limit order, and with limit order, after you chart and all that, you can put here your specific order where you want to long or short. And then after you do that, the next thing is, you see this part right here where you can scroll this. This is basically your percentage of your portfolio. So right here, I want to do 5% of my whole portfolio. That's going to be around $11, right? So you can do that. Now this is very important right here. You see this little box right here where it says TP and SL. They try to make this hidden, but you always use this. Let me tell you why. Click on that. Boom, right there. You can put your take profit price or SL price. Now focus more on the SL price because that's your stop loss. And I do recommend having a stop loss on all your trades, because what can happen is you can get in the trade and then boom, the price can go completely opposite of what you traded for, and then you can lose. You can literally get liquidated, right? But if you have a stop loss, you have a tight stop loss, instead of losing all your money, maybe you'll lose 2% of your money, 3%, 5%, right? Depends where you put your stop loss at. And I do recommend putting that. You can just put the amount right there after clicking the checkbox, and then you're set. Okay, that's really how you put your stop loss on the app right here. Then either you buy your long or you sell your short, right? You can also do it based on market order, which I wouldn't recommend. I'd rather use limit order. And then boom, your open orders should be over here. These are orders that still have not filled. And then your shared orders are the ones that have been filled. And one thing too, guys, is let's say you get like 2 short orders. Your position is basically a combination of those 2 orders. Okay, and I like this because you can see right here, the more you add to your position, the more your liquidation price increases. And yeah, guys, it's really that simple. If you guys got any more questions, definitely let me know in the comments below. This is really how I trade, using just that on the app while looking on my computer and charting. I just click on it. It's super easy versus typing it on the computer. And again, I'll lose more space on the computer if I were to have that open. So I just have it on my phone. But again, if you guys got any questions, definitely let me know. And also, if you guys want to join my trading group where I post signals and we have a great trading community, you guys can join in the description below, Invest to Rest Club. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.